Hi everyone. In this presentation, we will be discussing about our innovation, Color Pops, a range of eco-friendly, educational drawing popsicle sticks that come in a variety of colors. For every popsicle stick eaten, each popsicle stick can be sharpened and reused as a color pencil. The popsicle stick is made from kottakilangu, a locally sourced natural product, and there will be a non-toxic lead inserted in between the kottakilangu to encourage little ones to unleash their creativity in a colorful manner. Garshan will now introduce the team members who made this innovation become a reality.
Our team is known as Smart Up from the Navaloka College of Higher Study Business Foundation batch. The innovation and change module of our course required us to work in team and design and innovation. In our group, we have Kavisha, Rovindu, Vanessa, and me, Gayashan. We all worked on different tasks together to come up with the project we are all proud of. We believe that this idea will change the world and solve the real world problem, which Ruvidu will now speak about.
Protests by residents near other rubbish dumps spread, prompting the government to declare garbage disposal an essential service, meaning any move to disrupt operations would be illegal. One of the reasons for so much garbage is that most households do not sort their waste. Waste collection and disposal is done by local authorities. Some insist that rubbish is separated by households, but this doesn't always happen.
Sri Lanka has undergone rapid industrialization since the early 1980s, and with the evolution of technology and the increase in population, pollution continues to be a massive crisis in the country. Improper disposal and discarding of garbage, such as polythene bags, food wrappers, and even popsicle wrappers and sticks can contribute towards environmental pollution. Therefore, we thought of introducing Color Pops, a range of eco-friendly educational drawing popsicle sticks that come in a variety of colors to solve this real-world problem. When developing this product, it required us to do research on existing products in the market. The first competitor would be Birchwood popsicle stick manufacturers. After doing our research, we found that birchwood rots fast when exposed to wet environments and can cause bug infestation. This can be a big risk, especially when it is used in food products such as popsicles. Currently, the price of birchwood popsicle stick in the existing market is 1 rupee. The second competitor would be recycled paper pencil manufacturers. After doing our research, we found that although this is a great way of recycling waste, it is only applicable for paper or newspaper, which would mean that the product may be lower in quality and strength. This also will require more labor and is not safe to be used in food products, such as popsicles, because of the inks in the papers. The price of it is 60 rupees per piece. Color Pops is a sustainable product, and our primary target audience is ice cream manufacturers. This product can serve as a unique, sustainable, and natural alternative to the existing popsicle sticks. Our secondary target audience are parents of primary school students. Parents have the responsibility to teach how to protect the environment to their children. So our product is a great educational tool which helps parents teach children a valuable lesson through each purchase. Vanessa will now demonstrate our prototype.
So let me briefly explain the steps of our innovation. So first, we removed the soft leaves of steamed kotakilangu. Next, we drill the middle to create a path to add the pencil lead. And then we inserted the color pencil lead from existing non-toxic color pencils. And then we held the kotakilangu to a candle flame to dehydrate it. And then we also sun-dried it for about a week to make sure that it dried well, and also sandpapered the rough edges to give it a smooth touch. So on the side here, you can see we have our initial sketch of our product idea. So let me give you a brief idea about the inspiration behind our innovation. So our inspiration were existing popsicle sticks as well as color pencil sets. So our product is a combination of both of these products, and the product also helps to manage waste and also educate children about environmental issues. So here we have our prototype, which is a work in progress. So as you remember, the first initial slide was a hand-drawn slide sketch, and here we have a digital sketch, and we have the before and after. So the initial stages where the kotakilangu stick will be in a popsicle mold, and then after it's sharpened, it will be a pencil. So this is our work in progress prototype. So here we have the final prototype, which is a more refined product. And we've also drawn a picture to show that these color pencils can actually help children draw like a normal color pencil. And we also have the process of how we made the popsicles. And we also have a picture of when the kotakilangu is in the popsicle stick at the initial stages. So speaking about the product advantages and also its benefits, kotakilangu is a locally sourced material, and it's also plant-based and doesn't use the wood when you are manufacturing pencils, which also solves the problem of deforestation. It's also an educational tool and is child-friendly and also supports waste management. So a brand mantra for ColourPops is that ColourPops supports local businesses from farmers to carpenters and even delivery partners. We are focused on supporting the local community and also appreciating their efforts and their resources. So Gaishan will speak to you about the raw materials as well as the budget that we used to come up with our innovation.
The total cost for the entire project came to 2,300 rupees. So this budget, we were able to manufacture 10 pencils and also use the raw materials for experimenting purpose. We purchased 500 grams of dry kotakilangu for a 1,000 rupee. 500 grams of wet kotakilangu also 1,000 rupees. The color pencil lead did not incur any cost as we recycled all color pencils. However, because the initial idea is also to develop a lead using natural dyes, we are looking at a price of 5 rupees per pencil. In addition, we also spent 50 rupees for candles and 2,050 rupees for sandpaper to refine and dry the product. We hope to price this product 10 rupees per piece. The price may be higher than birchwood sticks. However, considering the greater good it achieved toward the product and the research and raw materials used, we have set a reasonable price. Kavisha will now explain how we plan to market our product.
To introduce this product to ice cream manufacturers, we hope to use this presentation deck, which we are using now, as an investor presentation. We hope to fix appointments with possible investors and market our innovation. Speak of its advantages and how it creates change and improve their brand strategy and sustainability agendas. In order to create initial interest in the investors and get appointments, We also hope to send emails introducing the product concept. When developing and refining our product, we also gain insights from industry professionals. Vanessa will take you through our process.
So for assistance and also advice to develop our product, we gathered the support in sorting technical issues with practical solutions through the help of engineering students and also engineering graduates. After a trial and error process and much research, we had to do many changes to our product to make sure that it is food safe. The initial plan was to use dry kottakilangu, and then we finally found out that it was difficult to manipulate the shape of it, so decided to go with steamed kottakilangu. However, we also contacted industry experts to find different ways that we can dry and also preserve the wood to make sure that the product lasts longer. We would also like to know that what your personal thoughts on our product and innovation are. So Kavisha will take you through how you can provide us with your valuable feedback.
Considering all the points made in the presentation, we invite you all to give your valuable feedback on our concept and innovation. You may use the below link to give your feedback, and the link will also be shared with you for your convenience. We have made the questions as simple as possible, and answering this will take less than 10 minutes of your time. Please let us know how we can develop and what your thoughts are on this innovation.
That's been said, we have come to the end of our presentation. Thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day.